Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on November 1st and 2nd, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Authors Day. National Authors Day, celebrated annually on November 1st, is a day dedicated to honoring authors and expressing gratitude for the vast worlds, insights, and knowledge they introduce to readers through their works. Established by the United States Department of Commerce in 1949, following the efforts of Nellie Verne Burt McPherson and her organization, the Bazaar Girls, the day encourages readers to reflect on the impact authors have had on their lives and to celebrate the contributions of writers in enriching cultural, philosophical, and imaginative landscapes. It's a day where readers can show their appreciation by perhaps purchasing books by their favorite authors, sharing about influential writers on social media, or even sending notes of thanks to authors who have particularly touched their lives. National Stress Awareness Day. National Stress Awareness Day, observed on the first Wednesday in November, is a day dedicated to identifying and reducing the stress factors in our lives. Stress, a prevalent issue in contemporary society, is often derived from various sources, including work, personal relationships, health concerns, and broader societal pressures. This day serves as a reminder for individuals, communities, and organizations to recognize the impact of stress on mental and physical well-being. It provides an opportunity to learn more about stress, discuss it openly, and explore strategies for managing it, such as through mindfulness, exercise, proper sleep, and professional help if needed. National Stress Awareness Day is not only a day for individual reflection but also a call to collective action, prompting society at large to acknowledge, reduce, and manage stress in order to foster healthier, happier lives for all. National Vinegar Day. National Vinegar Day, celebrated on November 1st, is a day to appreciate the versatility and utility of vinegar in various aspects of culinary arts and beyond. Vinegar, with its sharp taste and acidic properties, has been an integral part of cooking and preservation for centuries across numerous cultures worldwide. It's utilized in a myriad of ways, from pickling vegetables and curing meats to serving as a key ingredient in sauces and marinades. Moreover, vinegar also plays a role in baking and beverage preparation, showcasing its broad applicability in the culinary world. This day is an opportunity to explore various types of vinegar, such as apple cider, balsamic, white, and rice vinegar, each offering distinct flavors and uses in cooking. Beyond its culinary uses, vinegar is celebrated for its various household and health applications. It's often used as a cleaning agent due to its ability to cut through grease and disinfect surfaces. Moreover, some people utilize vinegar as a health supplement, attributing various benefits to its consumption, while others utilize it in hair care and skin care routines. National Vinegar Day provides an occasion to explore and appreciate the myriad of ways in which this acidic liquid influences our cooking, preservation methods, and household practices, recognizing its impactful presence in our daily lives. Whether it's trying out a new recipe, utilizing it as a natural cleaning solution, or exploring its potential health benefits, the day encourages exploration and appreciation of this fundamental ingredient. National Family Literacy Day. Celebrated annually on November 1st, National Family Literacy Day shines a spotlight on the significance of literacy within the family unit and emphasizes the role that parents and family members play in nurturing a child's literacy skills from an early age. The day aims to encourage families to make reading a communal and regular activity, nurturing a love for books, stories, and knowledge among all family members. Whether it's through reading together, engaging in storytelling sessions, or exploring books that cater to various age groups and interests, the occasion presents an opportunity to establish or rejuvenate a reading culture within families. Furthermore, it highlights the critical relationship between a child's literacy development and their parents' engagement with their reading and learning activities. Institutions like libraries, schools, and literacy organizations often commemorate National Family Literacy Day by organizing events and programs that foster family engagement in reading. This might include storytelling sessions, book drives, reading challenges, and workshops that equip parents with strategies to support their children's literacy development. The day serves as a reminder that literacy is not only a personal skill but also a communal asset, impacting societal development and prosperity. By fostering a love for reading and ensuring that literacy skills are nurtured from an early age within the family unit, society at large is enriched and empowered, paving the way towards a more literate, informed, and engaged community. National Deviled Egg Day. National Deviled Egg Day, celebrated on November 2nd in the United States, is a whimsical food holiday dedicated to the appreciation of deviled eggs. Deviled eggs, also known as stuffed eggs, are hard-boiled eggs that have been shelled, cut in half, and filled with a paste typically made from the egg yolks mixed with ingredients such as mayonnaise, mustard, and spices. The resulting dish is a pleasing combination of creamy, tangy, and sometimes spicy flavors that are enjoyed by many as an appetizer, snack, or side dish during various occasions and gatherings. National Men Make Dinner Day. National Men Make Dinner Day, which is observed on the first Thursday of November, is a light-hearted, fun holiday designed to encourage men who do not typically cook to step into the kitchen and prepare a meal for their loved ones. This unofficial holiday playfully addresses traditional gender roles by inviting men to take charge of the cooking for at least one evening, allowing them to explore and enjoy the art of culinary creation. While it approaches the subject with a dose of humor, it also subtly prompts reflection on household responsibilities and the importance of sharing them equitably among all family members. In a modern context, where the emphasis is increasingly on sharing domestic responsibilities among all members of the family, National Men Make Dinner Day can be seen as a fun way for men to explore cooking, perhaps developing new skills and appreciation for the task. Whether the result is a gourmet meal or a simple dish, the essence of the day lies in the gesture of care, effort, and willingness to step out of one's comfort zone. It serves as a reminder that cooking can be an enjoyable and rewarding activity, and that sharing household chores, including meal preparation, promotes a balanced and harmonious home life. Moreover, it's an opportunity to appreciate the joy that a home-cooked meal can bring, fostering connectivity and unity among those sharing the feast. International Stout Day. International Stout Day is a global celebration dedicated to recognizing and enjoying stout, a dark, top-fermented beer that's known for its rich and robust flavors. Celebrated on the first Thursday of November each year, the day encourages beer enthusiasts to explore, appreciate, and share the diverse world of stout beer. Stouts can range from dry to sweet, and might be infused with various flavors such as chocolate, coffee, oatmeal, or even milk sugar, leading to subvarieties like milk stouts, oatmeal stouts, and imperial stouts, each with their own distinct characteristics and flavor profiles. The celebration of International Stout Day often involves beer tastings, brewery tours, and stout-themed events at bars, pubs, and restaurants. It's an opportunity for both seasoned beer aficionados and newcomers to the stout world to explore different brands, flavors, and brewing methods. This day also provides a platform for brewers to showcase their craftsmanship and introduce new or special edition stouts to the market. Through social gatherings, online interactions, and perhaps even stout-themed cooking, International Stout Day brings people together to celebrate and enjoy the complexities and rich flavors of stout beer, while also providing an occasion to learn more about the art and science of brewing. Whether enjoyed at a cozy pub, a lively festival, or in the comfort of one's home, stout becomes the star of the show on this flavorful and festive day. National Ohio Day. National Ohio Day, observed on November 2nd, celebrates the Buckeye State, its history, and its contributions to the United States. Ohio, the 17th state to join the Union, has played a crucial role in American history, acting as a pivotal state in presidential elections, contributing significantly to the nation's industrial growth, and being the birthplace of numerous influential figures, such as presidents, astronauts, and innovators. Ohio boasts a rich history and diverse geography, with its numerous metropolitan areas, like Cleveland, Cincinnati, and Columbus, contrasting with its charming small towns and scenic natural areas, such as Cuyahoga Valley National Park and the Lake Erie shoreline. Known for its manufacturing, agricultural, and technological contributions, Ohio holds a critical position in the nation's economic and industrial networks. From its rich Native American history to its pivotal role in the Civil War and industrial development, Ohio embodies a fascinating blend of historical and cultural narratives. National Ohio Day gives Ohioans, as well as those who have ties or affection for the state, an opportunity to celebrate its distinctive heritage, accomplishments, and contributions to the nation. Activities might include exploring the state's rich historical sites, enjoying its vibrant culture, or savoring local culinary delights. Whether one chooses to explore the natural beauty of the state, delve into its history, or celebrate its current vibrancy, the day is dedicated to honoring and appreciating everything Ohio has to offer. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.